Well, hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a bunch of stuff to show you from FGNORMAL. They sent me a bunch of stuff. So I've divided it up into 3 different videos. I'll try to show you probably like one a week and show you some of the cool stuff that I got. All right, I got them kind of sorted out, maybe by themes or yeah, you'll see. Anyhow, let's get into it with the first video and let's show you what we have, okay? So, first painting is a full drill, and I thought he was super cute. They had a bunch of snowmen, and they were all really cute. I love my snowman. And look, it says Joy, and he's just kind of got this goofy look on his face, and he's got his friend hanging out there with him. I just thought it was a unique painting. I liked the style. It has DMC codes on both sides and your symbols, which are all letters. Nice sticky canvas. Yep, oh, good and sticky. And a very clear drill field. So even though this is a lot of confetti through here, I mean the F, the background is not, but everything looks pretty clear. All our symbols look really good, okay? So since we have so many to do, I'm not going to open up all the colors because, I mean, this one is what it is. Burgundy colors, tan, some white, green, you know, it is what it is. See, tans, greens, a little bit of pink, some rust colors, grays, a lot of tan and brown colors, okay? So that's what your drills will look like. It just has the kit number, NH929 on each bag, which is nice. It's on each and every bag. All right. So that's what you get. Sage green. All right. So he's a cute little snowman guy. Cute little guy. All right. This is kind of like a mixture of just different things. This one, as you can tell, is like a fall painting. It says welcome. I liked this one. It's just this rustic Adirondack chair with some pumpkins and sunflowers, fall leaves, all special drills. I like this one a lot. 11 different shapes, rhinestones, etc. Right? Looks like it's a lot of rhinestones. I only see a few special shapes, like maybe here and here. So it looks like it's mostly rhinestones. Yep, I think it is. Oh, we got something special in here, though, besides just rhinestones. So we have all the colors that you see there. The oranges, the reds, the golds, some greens, a little purple even. But then we have some black AB, which is cool. And then here is some pink faceted. And I don't think there's a lot of them. I can see like 1 dot here, 1 dot here. That might be about it. So this is basically all rhinestones, but then you have that black AB. Where's the black AB going to go? In the letters right here. Okay. And that's it, I think. All right. So I thought it would be very pretty, though, for fall time. All right. So we have a winter painting. We have a fall painting. All right. This one was interesting. This one comes with pre-bagged drills, which I thought was kind of cool. So we can see all of these colors beautifully. White, brown, some greens, tan, a pink, red, green, pink, some more tans, some more greens, a couple grays, and then a red. That is your colors, all pre-bagged. Nice. There's a pink on the back too. There you go. Very nice. I love me some pre-bagged drills. Makes them so easy to just get the painting out, open up a bag, and get going. But look at this one. This one's cool, isn't it? It's all poinsettias in a like galvanized pail. I love that. I love that. I don't have a galvanized pail. I'm going to have to go over to my dad's house. I'm certain he has some out in his barn. It's on this like shiplap background, you know, the wood plank background. Call it shiplap. The bow on your bucket. That would make a cute, like holiday decoration for your porch or something, wouldn't it? I love it. The colors are really pretty with the pinks and the reds and the greens. So we have like the whitish green poinsettias here as well as red poinsettias. Love it. It's very pretty. I want that on my porch. The actual, you know, bucket and flowers. All right, we got another snowman, you guys. Look at him. Isn't he cute? He says Christmas cheer. And look at, he's got candy canes. Like he's juggling them or something. Doo, doo, doo. Candy canes everywhere. 24 colors. This is a very, very pliable canvas, as you can tell. It just kind of whoop, did that, right? Very pliable canvas. See his red scarf? Can you read all the symbols there? Read all the letters? I think it is all letters. It is. DMC codes on both sides. I like this one a lot. I like that one a lot. He's going to turn out really good. Focal point, snowman. And then the details are big enough that they're going to show up, right? All right. Well, look at these drills, and then I have one fun project to show you. These all have the kit number on them as well, NH956 right on the bags. All right. So lots of gray, red, some greens, more red. We're going to have a lot of blue in this one, too. Here's our blues. Blue, 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 right? More blue. Some more greens. Pink, peachy colors, rosy colors. Nothing truly red. Did you notice that? Like for the scarf and the mittens, the reddest color we have is, well, this one right here. But there's not a lot of it. We got some peaches and oranges and burgundies that are going to blend in with that. And then white, blue, purple. All right, there's our colors, guys. There's the colors. So again, super cute. He's going to turn out really good. Okay, and the last item I have, of course, comes in a box like this. These are always fun. You know, when you get your boxes, yeah, get fun stuff in these. The off-canvas projects. Well, and the first thing that I see coming out of the box is he's stuck to the object. You know what that's for? Lights. Little fairy lights. So it's going to light up, okay? And we got a few pieces coming out here. Here's our drills. All of the paintings come with a toolkit like this. I just didn't, you know, save one out to show you. Oh, construction again. Pegs and screwdrivers. I got a piece that's stuck in here. Okay, I think I got everything. All right, so here's your tools. Oh, look, we have some foam tape squares, mounting tape type things, and all of these little pegs and screws to put this together. All right, because it's got a front and a back, I believe, and lights to twist around in between. So it is two sides. See, two pieces. They are exactly the same, but they will go this way, right? And they will, the pegs will go in between like this. And so there will be some space in between, and your lights will string around your pegs in between and light everything up. So it's Santa. So you drill both sides, so you can turn him around either way. This is, my stuff was getting stuck because his plastic's coming off. He's got weird plastic. That's his issue. His plastic's all weird, folded up and strange. I'm trying to fix it. Let's see. All right, come on. Come on, Santa dude. Okay, there. He's got extra plastic is his issue. See? But I'll just, there he goes. I can cut that part off so it stops being annoying. I'll cut off this excess here. Okay? But he's super cute, right? I think he's going to be all rhinestones probably, and a couple special drills. Let's see. These are so fun to do. I've done a few things now. They're quick and easy. My gnome's over there, actually. All right, so we got pinks, peach, champagne, green, black, green, peachy red and clear. And we just have a few of those. And that will go, you know, here, and his little berries. He's cute. These are so fun. They're quick and easy to do, and they just make a nice decoration for your holiday, for your home. I love those. All right, so that's my first video for FGNORMAL. Like I said, I'm going to try to do like one a week, so stay tuned for future videos from FGNORMAL. They really have nice product, and it's a company that I like working with. Very responsive, and they're one that I will stick with for the long run. So there you go. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button, subscribe button, all of those things, and come back and see more videos. All right, I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.